Okay, so the first step is going to be going over to HiggyCigs.com and ordering your base. As you can see here on my screen, I have the option to pick between 15 milliliters, 30 milliliters, 60 milliliters, 120 milliliters, or a liter plus. And then below that, here, you have your nicotine levels, which go from all the way down to 0.5 milligrams of nicotine to 24 milligrams of nicotine. For this one, I would do 6 milligrams because that's what I vape. Then I pick my VG level for my e-liquid. Obviously, you've got 10% VG all the way up to 80. Well, what I'm wanting to do is make a 70-30, so I would pick 70%. Alright, so today we're going to order, let's say, the 30 milliliter nicotine VG PG, blah, 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 blah. You get what I'm saying. This is your base. This is how your nicotine base is going to be. It's that easy. We do that. We add it to the cart. Done with that. That is our base. So we've got our base. The next thing we want to do is, we're still on the HiggyCigs site. We're going to go over here to where we see DIY supplies. Then drop down to Higgy Signature Concentrates. These are pre-mixed Higgy Signature Concentrates. You don't need to add anything else to them. Higgy has added all the flavors you need. And you can go through to see which flavors you want. They've got a huge selection over here. I'm just going to go through this. You can go back and visit this yourself. I'm going to look for my favorite, which is Nilla Please. I'm going to find that concentrate. I'm just going to keep going through till I find it. Which, if you've never had Nilla Please, it's really a great, great, great vape. I just got to keep finding it. Oh my gosh, there it is. Okay, so here's our concentrate. Nilla Please. Clicking on it. And then I'm going to decide what I want to do here with flavor. So how much do I want to order? I am going to do the syringe size because I am mixing by volume. I'm going to say I want 35 milliliters of flavor. Hit that. Click order. Step 2. That's simple. There's my concentrate. I'm still on the Higgy side over here. And the last thing that I'm going to need to make my own e-liquid, I'm going to go back to the DIY again. I'll hit this DIY tools button. We'll wait for that to load because I have the slowest internet on earth today. And you see that they have these oral syringes. Unless you're mixing in huge, huge volumes, you're not going to need the 12. You're going to pick the 3 milliliter oral syringe, add that to your cart. Done. That's all you need there. You are ready to mix. The next part of this is going to tell you how much mix you need to put into an empty bottle with your flavor concentrate to make your juice. And the way that I've done this is I have come over to eliquidrecipes.com and I hit this button to create a recipe. And as you can see here, it's HiggyCig pre-made mix. And I will put in here the amount I'm going to make. So today we're going to make a 30 ml bottle of juice. And this is important because this kind of threw me off. In your desired strength, you want to hit 0. You want to take away this max VG and then put in what PG and VG level that you order for your nicotine base. It really is that simple. But the most important thing is up here under the desired strength, you make sure you put that under 0. You've got a pre-made you have a pre-made mix, so you actually do not need your nicotine in this. And if you try to put it in there, it's going to give you an error. So 30 mils of nicotine, 0 strength, and whatever PG, VG base you order from the HiggyCigs sites, you're going to put that in there. Okay? Alright, so right here it'll have nicotine strength 0. And again, we're going to put in the PG and VG content of the base you purchased. Let me get rid of this because we won't need this since I don't need to save it. Now, HiggyCigs is going to tell you exactly how much flavor they recommend for their HiggyCigs concentrates. For Vanilla Please, it was 15%. So I have it all here. My one little flavor concentrate. I go down and I hit save. So there, on the screen, you see very clearly that it's 4.50 milligrams. That is how much concentrate I need to add to my bottle. So using my syringe, I will draw up 4.5 milliliters into my syringe, put that in my bottle, my empty bottle, and then I will fill up the rest of the bottle with my nicotine base, and that's it. I shake it.